Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Let's talk about KULR Stock real quick. Got a short video for you since there's been no news, which is a good thing. No news means it's going to go sideways. It's going to be quiet. No one cares about it. We did get a nice 10-20% pump depending on when you bought in. If you guys recall, I said, hey, buy it under $2. If it goes back to 180s, buy, scoop shares down there. This is just going sideways, so if it's just going to go sideways, might as well load up, right? Where's my 200? Yeah, I'm still waiting for my 200. Because it slowly bleeds out. You know the pattern. I've shown you the patterns before. So at this point, I keep telling you, accumulate it under $2. Just continue to accumulate. When we get another big run, you're going to be like, oh my God, how did he know? Right now, it looks ugly, looks bad. It's going nowhere. I don't care. What we care about is abusing the patterns long term. So if you bought in under $2, like I said, a nice little 20%. And you shouldn't be surprised that people sold because that's a nice 20%, right? Like, that's the easiest flip ever. And there's a lot of flippers on this one, as you can tell by that sell-off. So 20%. Right now, what I would be looking for is to buy under 180 again. We should be coming down there. Because we're kind of, like I said, we're slowly just coming down lower and lower. If it's going to do that, we would expect it to come down. Let's look at it here. So from here, yeah, we would expect it to come down at least another. That's crazy. If it drops 15 cents, it's literally dropping 7%. So if it drops back to 181, it's dropping another 7%. And this thing can go down. If it doesn't hold 181, that's like the line in the sand. Then our next support is going to be, unfortunately, 150 to 170. And at that point, it's going to be like really close to touching that 200 weighted moving average. But there you go. That's your line in the sand. If it doesn't hold 181, it's going to be 150 to 170. And if you're in, yeah, right now, if it drops to that on next week, then so it can still drop another 17% from where it is right now, literally. If it does not hold 1.8. It's a slow bleeder, as I like to call it. Like, it slowly bleeds out once no one cares about it. But that's when you want to buy. But if you really believe in it, though, like you don't care. You're like, yes, I'm gonna buy more. If you're scared, then I don't know what to tell you. I don't know why you would be scared. If you truly believe in something, you're not scared. Like, I'm holding NVIDIA at 120s. It's at 130. I'm not going to sell. I'm going to wait for 150 plus. I'm not scared. I'm confident that it's going to go back up. Gotta be confident, because I know some people get scared. Be confident and trust it. It always pumps. Got to give it time, though. It doesn't happen when you want it to. All these people that are flipping, they're flipping for their 20%, but that doesn't matter. We're not looking to flip for 20%. We're looking for the big bucks. But I'm just very patient. Like, I've been waiting for months for this to touch the 200. It hasn't. So, there you go. Be careful. Mainly, you don't want to buy and then it goes down 20% more or 40%. It can still do that. If it drops from $2 to $1.50 or even $1, that's a 50% discount from where it's at. But some people are going to be holding some big red as well. They're going to get frustrated. They're going to be angry. They don't understand. And then we get a huge pump. Usually that's the cycles. That's literally the cycles right there. On the psychological side, at least. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one.